Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I achieve this beautiful wig that I have on. So if you want to see how I achieved it, keep on watching. So the things I use for this tutorial is a styrofoam wig head, a wig cap, and this beautiful hair that I got from UNICEHAIR on AliExpress. And this is their Brazilian body wave with a frontal. The frontal was so beautiful. Like I was so impressed with the frontal, especially. It was already pre-plucked. I started by sewing the frontal onto the wig cap, and I sewed the back of the frontal, not the front. Then after sewing that onto the wig cap, I went ahead to start sewing in the bundles, starting with the 24 inches, and I sewed it from ear to ear in a kind of U motion, and I did this all the way to the top. So that's basically all I did. I just sewed it on. Any stitch you know how to do is fine. There's no particular stitch. I'm still a newbie at wig making. I'm still trying. This hair was so beautiful, you guys. Like, I've been rocking it for like 3 weeks now, and everywhere I go I get compliments. And the frontal, my god, I can't stress how beautiful the frontal is. It's so beautiful. It's so full. Like, the hair on the frontal is really full. I'm not used to hairs on frontal being this full. Like, it was full. Like, it seemed like it was one bundle of hair that was on the frontal. So after sewing on the bundles onto the wig cap, I went ahead to cut out the parts where the frontal will lay on my head. Then I went ahead to use an elastic band, sewed it onto the frontal to make it tight and firm on my head when I put it on. So yeah guys, that's basically all I did to achieve this wig. It took me about 2 hours. I know, like I take so much time making my wigs. Like I said, I'm still a newbie, but yeah, it came out really beautifully, and I used a hair curler to get these curls on it, and that's basically it. Yeah, I wasn't sure how I wanted the curls to be. I just removed the hairpins and let the curls fall down, but later on I decided to brush it out and I think it looked better. What do you guys think? Anyways, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.